Why, hello there. He's my kitty. We're getting really old, and I put her down. Welcome back to my channel. Well, Mishka, your tail can't. Oh, okay, here. It's almost 2 a.m. and we are going to be unboxing and trying some of the Japanese candies I picked up in Japan almost about a year ago. I'm gonna do this one at the end. These very unique Hello Kitty thingies. And then, of course, these are my favorite. Anyway, my Japan vlog is linked down below. Okay, I guess we'll start with the chocolates that are so delicious. I don't know what these are called.
If I would have actually read the box, you can see that these are the strawberry Apollo chocolates by the brand Menji.
But I know I like them. I noticed this box. So these other two I have not tried. Look at him. Look it. That is beautiful. There's a thingy here. Oh, they're little chocolate mountains. Yeah, I do like these. I guess we'll finally open these. I don't want it though, the packaging is so cute. Look at this. Look at this. I can't, like, ah. But I'm sure they'll taste good. I'm sorry, kitty. Kitty, I'm sorry. Not you, Mishka, you're fine. I'm curious what the kiwi one is the most, honestly, so I think I'm just gonna try that one. I think these are gonna be like Tic Tac. Whoa. It is very interesting. So we have packets and spoon. So the first thing it looks like we do is tear off this little thing. And then we add packet 1 with this measuring cup of water in this basin right here. Not spill water on the camera. We're gonna add our water and packet number 1. It's like a grape flavor that looks delicious. Ooh. And mix. This is so fun. This is fun. I'm gonna mix it really good. Okay, now what? You're now going to mix packet 2. Mix, 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 mix. It's turning purple! You seeing this? Oh, whoa, it's foaming up! Oh my god! Whee! What is going on? Oh, it's getting very low. Wait, oh my. This is like so aesthetically pleasing. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Whoa. And then what do? And then we add our sprinkles and then we eat it. There's some of that. Ah! Anyway, just do that. It's fine. Then we just do that. It's quite something. I don't know how to describe it. I want to eat more of it, but like it's weird. Like,
it was kind of like cotton candy Pop Rocks bubble foam deliciousness. That's how I would describe it.
Anyway, yeah. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and check out any of my other videos if you liked watching this one. Of course, my Japan vlog, links to my Instagram, eBay down below if you want to support me, and my PO box if you want to send me mail. It's so delicious. Okay, bye. Yeah, I got you. You got a stick. I got a stick.
Could you? That's on your nose. Kitty, Coco. This is so much better than me eating candy on camera. You don't want any more? Okay.